Hello friends, I hope all of you are keeping well. Today we are going to do some important questions from the chapter Agriculture. So now let's start the questions, my dear friends. First question, which of the following is or are required for well growth of wheat? Here we have four statements. First, cool growing season. Second, bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Third, well drained fertile soil. And fourth, cheap labor in abundance. Out of these four, which statements are correct in relation to wheat cultivation? That we need to find out. Okay, so first option says 1, 2 and 4. Cool growing season, bright sunshine, cheap labor. In fact, we have already discussed soil, fertile soil is required, bright sunshine is required, and cool growing season is okay, is also okay. So that means fourth statement is not required. So first option is wrong. Then second says 2, 3 and 4. Again second option is B option is wrong. Then C says 1, 2 and 3. Yes, C option is correct. So that's why D option, all of the above, is also wrong. Now our answer would be C option, where statements 1, 2 and 3 are included. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Which of the following are plantation crops? Here again we have four options: rice and rubber, then wheat and rice, then maize and rubber, then banana and wheat. In each option we have two crops, so both the crops should be plantation crops. Rice and rubber, yes, that is okay, because in second option wheat is not a plantation crop. In third option maize and rubber, maize is not a plantation crop. And D option, banana and wheat, wheat is not a plantation crop. So that's why A option is right. Okay, so our answer is A option. Now see the next question, dear friends. Which of the following is correctly matched with reference to primitive subsistence farming? Primitive subsistence farming, we have four options here: Jhuming, Madhya Pradesh; Bewar, Andhra Pradesh; Penda, northeastern region; and Kuruwa, Jharkhand. Now which option is correctly matched? Only one option is correctly matched, my dear friends. So we need to see, because it is locally named by locally popular by different names in different areas. Jhuming is a popular name, but Jhuming is not there. So Jhuming is a popular name in northeastern states. So A option is not correct, right? Bewar is a popular name of primitive subsistence farming in Madhya Pradesh. Here it is written Andhra Pradesh, so that is also correct. And Penda is in Andhra Pradesh, so C option is also wrong. And Kuruwa, Jharkhand is okay, that is fine. So that is why D option, Kuruwa, name of Jhuming or primitive subsistence farming or shifting cultivation in Jharkhand, is right. Right. Now see the next question. Which of the following is the largest producer of cotton in India? Punjab, UP, Gujarat and Karnataka. Four options are there. And we know cotton is mainly grown in black soil. In one of the previous videos you have discussed that, right? So Punjab is wrong because here alluvial soil is there. Again UP is wrong. And Gujarat, yes, black soil region. We are talking about leading producer. Probably cotton is grown in Punjab and Karnataka also, but Gujarat is the leading producer, that we need to find out. So that's why C option, Gujarat, is the right answer. Okay, dear friends. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following is related to rubber cultivation? Yes, again we have four options here. It is mainly grown in drier parts of Deccan Plateau, A option, which is not correct. Why? Because in one of the previous videos you have discussed that rubber is mainly cultivated in equatorial areas, and in special conditions it is also grown in subtropical areas also. So drier areas in no way it is related to rubber cultivation. It is known as golden fiber of India. B option says no, jute is known as golden fiber of India, so B option is also ruled out. C option, it is an equatorial crop, but under special conditions it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Yes. D option, it is leading producer of Assam. No, its leading producer is Kerala. So D option is also right. So that's why our answer is C option. Okay, now let's move to the next question. We have a statement here. Dash accounts for about half of the major oilseeds produced in the country. Soybean, groundnut, mustard and coconut. My dear friends, we need to remember groundnut is accounting about 50%, more than that even, of the total production of oilseeds in India. So soybean, mustard and coconut are not correct. Groundnut is correct, right? B option, groundnut. Now see the question number 7. Which of the following is not correctly matched with reference to technological and institutional reforms to improve Indian agriculture? A option, cooperative societies, and it's matched with provision of loans with low rate of interest. Yes, cooperative societies provide loans to the farmers. B option, land reforms, minimum support price. Government has announced minimum support price, but that is not related to land reforms. Green revolution, yes, package technology. White revolution is related to Operation Flood. So D option is right. I mean to say is correctly matched. C is also correctly matched, and A also is correctly matched. So our answer would be B option, which is not correctly matched, right? Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is not correct regarding national food security system in India? A option, it consists of two components, buffer stock and public distribution system, which is actually related with the food security, provisions of food security. PDS is again a program to provide food grains at subsidized prices in rural and urban areas. That is also related to food security, because that is especially meant for ensuring food security to all sections of society, especially marginalized sections of society. C option says India's food security policy has a primary objective to ensure availability of food grains to the common people at an affordable price. Yes, that is also right. I mean to say that is also related to this. And D option says agricultural universities are established. That is right, but actually that is not related to food security. That is related to improvement in agricultural sector for other areas. So according to the question, D option is the best option, right? That is why our answer is D option. Now question number 9. Which of the following is or are related to plantation agriculture? Here we have 4 statements. A single crop cultivation, it is, we all know. So a single crop is grown over a large area, that is related to plantation agriculture. Okay, animal rearing is done along with crop cultivation, that is not related to plantation. It is practiced on small patches of land. No, it is practiced on large patches of land. We know that. And it is a type of commercial farming. Yes, it is mainly done as commercial farming. So 1 and 4, that means C option will be the right option, 1 and 4. Okay, so our answer is C option, 1 and 4. Now question number 10. Which of the following is suitable to fill the blank? Here we have a table. In column 1 we have crops, rice and sugarcane, then ideal temperature. For rice it is written about 25 degrees Celsius, and for sugarcane 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Ideal rainfall for rice above 100 centimeter, for sugarcane also 75 to 100 centimeter. And the 4th column, that is largest producer, rice, that is a blank. So we need to find out the answer. We know Uttar Pradesh is shown as the leading producer of sugarcane, that is right. But in case of rice, UP, no, it is of wheat and sugarcane. Punjab, no. Gujarat for cotton it is leading producer, but for West Bengal we can go because West Bengal is the leading producer of jute as well as rice. So here our correct answer is West Bengal. Okay, dear friends, so in this manner we have seen several questions related to the agriculture of our country. I hope all of you have well understood. Take good care of yourself, prepare for exams. Thank you very much. God bless you all.